Hello,
Hi,
I'm
myself
Shagun Pardesh and I've
Dishrayvani.
been
I have
intern in
completed
Unified
my
Mentor since three
internship with
months in
Unified
web
Mentor
development
as a
domain,
full stack
and
web
I've
development intern.
experienced
It
a
was a
lot of
great
real-time
learning
tasks
experience.
and
I got to
opportunities
work on
here
the
thanks
projects
to
like
Unified Mentor.
weather
And through
app, which
this
uses API
session
integration, or
or
student teacher booking
internship, I've
appointments,
got some study
which also
materials
uses
and
Firebase
training
and
sessions
Cloud
and
Firestore.
videos
I
which
had
have provided me a lot
such a
of
great
support
time
and
working on this
knowledge about
project,
web
which
development more.
makes my knowledge
I enjoyed
or
being
my
an intern
theoretical
in
knowledge worked into
Unified
the
Mentor.
practical ones.
So
It
thank you,
improved
Unified
my
Mentor, for
skills
giving
in
me
HTML,
this
CSS,
opportunity,
JavaScript,
for
and
providing me this
also I
opportunity.
happened to
Thank you.
learn new skills like React, Node,
Hello, I'm
and
Shagun
Firebase as
Pardesi
well.
and I've been intern in
I had
Unified
such a
Mentor
great time.
since three
Overall, the
months in web
mentors
development
in
domain,
Unified Mentor
and
are so
I've
supportive.
experienced
Any
a lot
doubts
of
can be
real-time
solved if I
tasks
message them
and
or call them in
opportunities
any time,
here thanks to
which was
Unified
a great
Mentor.
thing, which makes
And through
every
this
task easier.
session or
Thank you,
internship,
Unified
I've
Mentor,
got some
for
study
giving me this
materials and training
opportunity, and I'll
sessions, sharing
recommend to all the
videos which
students to
have
gain the
provided me a
work
lot of support
experience
and
and the
knowledge
real
about
life
web
experience
development
to this.
more.
Thank you.
I enjoy